Yes. Hi, Jay. Okay. Yes. Good morning, and then good evening, Donald. Yes. Right now, I'm planning to discuss about what is OpenShift. Okay, because currently this is one of the trending tool in the market. Almost it includes all kind of tools. Okay, it combines Docker and then Kubernetes. On the top of that, it was built. Basically, why we use OpenShift? Okay, so first question is who is providing OpenShift? Okay, so OpenShift is something it is from the Red Hat family. The product is a hybrid cloud platform service built in a Linux container. Okay, managed by Kubernetes and then providing by Red Hat. The point is why we need to go for the OpenShift. Okay, so this is again called as a one kind of uh, cloud kind of tool. Okay, so with the help of Azure or with the help of AWS, we are getting or we are we can able to go for the or we can able to get the cloud kind of concepts. But in case of here, this tool, okay, it will provide on-premises kind of you can able to construct all your data in your premises itself. Okay, so one is cloud. Okay, so we know we have like a AWS cloud and then Azure cloud. Okay, so these clouds are nothing but we have to pay them. Okay, we have to pay them, and then the tool sets and then infrastructure. Okay, everything is with their hands only. Okay, infrastructure plus tool sets. Okay, all are within their premises, within, okay, their premises. But when it comes to, okay, when it comes to red OpenShift, okay, OpenShift is on premises too. Okay, on premises too. What is meant by on premises? Okay, here the point is on premises means you are purchasing license. Okay, and then you are installing this software in your local. Okay, that is called as a on premises. So there are two things, one is on premises, another one is cloud. Okay, so on premises means keeping everything in your local, keeping everything in the sense keeping every tool in local. Okay, but when it comes to cloud means keeping all the tools, okay, in their environments. Okay, or their environments, I can say warehouse. When it comes to hybrid model, okay, so hybrid model means combination of both. Okay, both on premises and cloud. Okay, so now the OpenShift tool is a combination of, okay, so we know, right, the Docker. Okay, so Docker is something, it is a containerization tool. Okay, and then Kubernetes, what it will do is there are some drawbacks, or when you make n number of swarms, or n number of when you spin up n number of servers. Okay, so network point of view, or over network point of view, what happened now, the servers will get our servers won't work sometimes correctly. Okay, so because of that, on the top of, okay, due to for overcoming these issues, okay, we went Kubernetes. Okay, so Kubernetes, or we can say simply K8s. Okay, so K8 Kubernetes, what it will do, it will take Docker into, okay, correct direction. Okay, I will tell you tomorrow onwards what is this, all these things. Okay, Kubernetes, it will take Docker into correct directions. Okay, but Kubernetes and Docker both are working with the command line only. Okay, there is no specific, okay, there is no specific, okay, there is no specific GUI, specific GUI. So on the top of that, okay, there is another tool, okay, it will cover both, okay, Docker and Kubernetes. The tool name is OpenShift. Okay, so that is the thing why we use OpenShift. Okay, OpenShift have a GUI kind of thing, and then it is a another parameter is it is a combination of both local and, I mean, command line and then GUI. Okay, so let's see what is OpenShift. Okay, see, Red Hat OpenShift is a cloud-based Kubernetes platform. Okay, that helps developer build applications. It offers automated installations, upgrades, and lifecycle management throughout the container stack, the operating system, Kubernetes cluster services, and applications on any cloud. Okay, so here the point is you can keep OpenShift in Azure, or you can keep OpenShift in AWS, or you can keep OpenShift in your local as well. Okay, so this OpenShift will be, you can keep in anywhere, but the thing is, what are the OpenShift? I mean, the best thing is I see as of now. Okay, see, the only thing nobody is interested to keep their code on the browser or like on the cloud, right? So that time we'll go with the OpenShift. Okay, OpenShift the best solution for uh, doing all these things. Okay, you can able to keep the code in your premises itself. You can able to spin up the containers immediately. It will create the servers immediately. All the micromanagement or like a micro applications you can able to run with the OpenShift. Okay, so now let's move on. So this is the main thing. Okay, so what is the difference both Kubernetes and OpenShift? Okay, so both Kubernetes and OpenShift are popular container management systems, and each has its unique features and benefits. While Kubernetes helps in automation application deployment, scaling and operations, OpenShift is the container platform that work with the Kubernetes to help applications run more efficiently. Okay, so here the OpenShift is like a not something else, but it is on top of Kubernetes. Okay, majorly the internal work which which one is do is the Kubernetes one. Okay, so just OpenShift is like a overlay of that. Okay, on the top of that. Okay, yes, what is the difference of Docker? See, OpenShift is an enterprise platform for container orchestration, while Docker is just a container engine. In fact, you can run Docker containers within OpenShift deployments. However, when you add Docker Swarm to the mix, Docker can be considered an alternative to the OpenShift for small scale use cases. Yes, that's what I'm telling. Okay, so OpenShift is a combination of Docker and Kubernetes. Okay, so the overall summary for the today's session is, okay, first point is it has a GUI and CMD line. Okay, so first point is it is a, that is the first point. Yes, this is the first point. Okay, so you can keep, okay, you can keep, first point is it is a on premises too. Okay, You can, you can able to create on-premises cloud, okay, with the help of OpenShift. And the second point is, it is a combination of both, okay, Docker and Kubernetes. Just keep it in mind. And third point is, it was licensed or it was provided by Red Hat, okay. And the fourth point is, um, okay, fourth point, let me take from the Google that point, okay. OpenShift this, okay, you can take this, okay. This is the fourth point, okay. So now let's move on, okay. So this is the first session. We'll move on, okay, this series of OpenShift day by day, every day, okay. I will try to teach one by one. You can please subscribe this okay, this channel, and share with your friends as well if needed. Give me the questions, okay, and keep on comments. I will give you the solution, or like I will explain you one by one. Clear, right? Yes. Thanks for watching.